Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this eye makeup look. Super simple, super quick, nice little glam look when you're in a rush and you just need to get out the door. If you're curious to see how I came up with this nice sparkly brown eye with a hint of purple, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette right here. I'm going to be picking up this middle shade up here in the top row, tapping off the excess and just applying that all over my crease. Next, I'm just going to pick up the shade right next to it right here and do the same thing just to deepen the crease up a little bit. So now that I've applied my crease shades, I'm going to be picking up ColourPop's Supernova Shadow in the shade Walk of Fame. Let me show you what the applicator looks like. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. And this is super pigmented. And I'm just trying to apply this as carefully as I can. And that is what it looks like all over the lid. It's super glossy, but what's nice about this is because I have sensitive eyes, it doesn't burn, it doesn't bother me, so that's a big plus. And I think it was only $6, so it's also super affordable. Okay, so now that all of that is on, I'm gonna go back to the Morphe 35B palette and pick up this middle shade that I used originally in my crease. And I'm just gonna try and buff this out so there's no harsh lines with the glitter. Because I could always go back in with the glitter and build it up if I lose any pigmentation, which I'm starting to lose on the very, very top, if you can see that. So now that I've blended it out a little bit so it's not so blinding, I'm going to pick up the Morphe 35B. I'm going to dip down into this super deep dark purple shade on the bottom row and tap off all the excess and very lightly tap into my outer corners because I don't want too much. Just so we could have some dimension to this eye look. Just dragging up whatever's left on the brush into my outer crease. And again, just dragging whatever's left over in the brush into my inner crease. Just like that. And that's what this eye looks like. And basically I'm just repeating the same process using this shade, just repeatedly tapping the brush and then tapping off all the excess. Just packing it in on my outer corners and then eventually packing it into my crease. And then lightly blending up all the excess to blow it out a little more, and then dragging whatever's left into my inner crease. Okay, so now that that's all done with the purple applied on my outer corners and in my crease for some dimension, I don't know if you guys can tell, but with all that blending, that up here I lost some pigmentation from Walk of Fame, so I'm just going to go back in and very carefully apply it to those areas where I feel I lost it and I want it to be. So now this is the finished eye look. So now I'm just going to be adding some mascara to finish it off, and then I'm just going to pick a random lipstick. And that's it for today's look. So now that my eye look is basically done, my mascara is on, everything else is on, I'm just going to dip into the Jaclyn Hill Times Morphe palette, and I'm going to use a mix of these two highlight shades on my brow bone. So I'm literally just dipping in back and forth like so, tapping off all that excess and applying it onto my brow bone. Get my hair out of my way. This is by far my favorite brow bone highlight to use. They're so pigmented and they're so easy to use, and the color when you mix the two is just beautiful, and once you blend it all out it looks so natural. I love it. And then what I like to do is I like to just take a clean fluffy brush like this, and then I just go in and I buff it and blend it all out, so there's no harsh lines, so there's no harsh colors anywhere. We want everything to look more natural. So now the eyes are officially complete. Now I'm just going to pick out a lipstick. I always use the shade Patina, but as you can see, I have quite a few liquid lipsticks and I'm tired of always picking the same one. So I'm going to try this deluxe size sample from Smashbox, and this is the shade Driver's Seat. And let's see how this looks all over the lips. Really nice, cute doe foot applicator. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's eye tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to like and leave a comment down below and to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you next time.